After applications for admission, and you'll be given a provisional admission with admission letter, you've printed your form, but you've not gotten your matric number, you are not yet a student, you just have some documents with you. So to validate the admission letter you have, you would have to go to a study center, ordinarily a study center close to you, for verification or screening. They will compare the documents you have at hand and the one you submitted online, just to be sure that they tally and you qualify for the program you want to study. Now, you can do that online too. You don't have to go to the study center to submit those documents anymore. You can submit it online and you will get a response as regards your application online. How do you do that? To submit those documents listed on your admission letter, because on your admission you are given instruction on documents to get ready. The first thing you do is prepare a PDF file. You have to scan those documents or screenshot them, put them together in Microsoft Office Word, and save as PDF. That's it. Put them together in Microsoft Office Word and save as PDF. All together in one file. Look at this. For online verification, look at this. It says scan each document in color, both sides if necessary. That is, if both sides contains information that are necessary, you do that. Save all documents into a single PDF file. Ensure that the PDF file is clear and not bigger than 2 MB. Then, if the PDF uploaded has issues, you can upload a replacement. This is just what you are required of for verification. This is for undergraduate verification. And here we have postgraduate verification. All could be done online here. How? You go to upload credentials. Here, you choose upload credentials. There's view credential, but here we're uploading. So you have a small lecture here on how to reduce the PDF size. As if yours is so large that is more than 2 MB, you can reduce it automatically and then upload. So once you click on that upload credentials, look at the required credentials for undergraduates. That admission letter you've gotten, passports, a good passport, then remitter payment of 5,000, and then other specific requirements depending on your program. Like if you're studying nursing, you will need a registered nurse license. That's for nursing program. For public health, you need, these are additional requirements for those who are studying these programs. But generally, these last three and this first one here, birth certificates, and these first two, and O-level certificates are required. You scan them, put them together, and you choose either undergraduate if you're undergraduate, postgraduate, or PhD for upload. Once you choose, you enter the credential for undergraduate verification, you enter the remitter you've paid for. That's 5,000 naira remitter. You enter it, then you go ahead with the submission. That's it. Once you click submit, then you will have the opportunity to upload the verification file. That's the PDF file. And when you are verified, you'll be given a matric number, and then you can start your registrations. So that's how it's done. It's very simple. It's very simple. And there is a verification slip here to check the status after sometimes if you think no one is listening to you because there's no response one way or another, you can come here and check if you've been given admission. Just use the remitter number, submit it, you get a response. You see whether you've been given admission fully with your matric number and all that or not. So before you do that, make sure you have uploaded all the credentials used to obtain, you know what you should have done. So that's it. That's it.